Hello and welcome to the demo for the Wavuti Shule e-learning portal. This portal shall enable you to deliver your lessons as well as assignments to the learners. Let's get started on how to do that. First, to access the portal, you go to the browser on any device, being a phone, tablet or laptop, and you'll be able to log in by providing your email address and password. If for any reason you have forgotten or are unsure of your password, you'll go to forgot password, then type your email address, and once you click on send password reset link, a password reset link shall be sent to your email address. You shall follow the instructions there and continue to reset your password. To log in, simply enter your email address followed by your password. Then let's say login. Once you're logged in, you shall be presented with an interface such as this one, and on the left dashboard, the second menu shall be for e-learning. When you click on it, you shall see options for two major features, lessons and assessments. Let's start off with lessons. When you come to lessons, you're able to either create, view, edit, or delete a lesson. Here's how to prepare a lesson. Click on Create Lesson to start creating a new lesson. Select the class that you would like to deliver the lesson to and enter a title. Logged in. With the dashboard, on the dashboard you are presented with, go to the second menu on the left to access the e-learning portal. When you click on it, you'll be provided with two options, lessons and assessments. Let's start from lessons. To create a lesson, you simply click on Create Lesson, enter the title of your lesson, and select which class that you would like to deliver it to. Next, we have the content or description. In this section, you'll be able to enter the content that you would like to deliver to the learners. This shall be either in form of Word, that is typing the content, or if you had already prepared the lesson externally, simply copy in the content from either the Word document, web page, or PDF. Then paste it into the content or description box. Next, you can add a video link if you wish to deliver video content. Simply go to YouTube, copy the link of whatever YouTube video you would like to deliver. If you have your own recorded lessons or are recording your own lessons, you could also upload them to YouTube and copy the link and add to the portal. Next, you are able to attach files in form of PDF, images, or any other format that you would like the learners to access the content in. To attach, simply click on Browse, select the file from your local storage, and say Open. The file shall be attached. You could go over your content just to confirm the lesson delivery, then say Create Lesson. Once the lesson is created, it shall be listed under your list of lessons. You can click on View in order to see what the lesson looks like, and this is exactly how the learners would be able to see it. Notice here that the video link we added has been directly embedded into the platform, and there will be no need for the learners to access this content externally. In the case of attachments, the learner simply clicks at the bottom here and saves the file after which they shall be able to just view it from their local device. Let's go back to assessments. Let's go back to lessons, sorry. Should you want to edit the content, just click on edit, and this shall allow you to make any necessary corrections. For instance, I would like to remove this heading so that we start from what is a verb. You could also change the link, remove it, delete the attachments, etc. Then say update lesson. You'll notice that we only have the title and we are now left with the corrected content. Moving on to assessments. Assessments allow you to test how well the learners are faring on, and this is through quizzes. To create an assignment, click on Create Assignment. Select the class you would like to deliver the assignment to. Optionally, you could select which lesson you want to make the quiz or assignment for. But if you would just like to do a general quiz, you can leave it open. Then give the title, for example, English General Quiz. On description, give a general instruction to the learners. For instance, answer all the questions. If need be, you can attach videos or any other documents along with the assessment so that the learners can be able to access. Let's click on Create Assessment to create. The assessment will be successfully created and you'll be presented with an interface to add the questions. So there are multiple types of questions which we shall go over in the course. For instance, let's have question 1 to be, what is a verb? We shall have this as an open-ended question where the learner will simply type in their answer at the bottom. Save question, and it shall be added to the quiz, taking you to enter the next question. For question 2, let's ask which of the following is not a type of verb? And we can have this as a multiple choice question. Then at the bottom interface provided, enter the choices. For example, transitive verbs, transformative verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, and action verbs. With the checkboxes to the left, mark the correct answer. Then save the question. You can also have questions and sub-questions in the following format. For instance, using the verbs provided, make your own sentences. Then I'll say sub-question to add a sub-question and have sub-question 1 as the verb walk. Leave it as open-ended. Once the assessment is created, you shall have it listed under your assessments. Click on View to view it as the learner would, and you'll have your questions listed. For the lessons to be accessed by the learners, they shall need to be approved. This approval is done by the heads of department. If you are a head of department, besides the options for view, edit, and delete, you shall also have an option to publish. Click on Publish to make the lesson accessible to all learners. It shall be shared, and you'll now have a list of learners who have been issued with the assignment and the status. This status shall change and provide you with a button to mark once the learner has submitted the answers to the assignment. Notice that once the HOD has published the assignment, the teacher shall now be able to assess. When the teacher goes to assess, they'll have the same interface showing who has submitted and who is still pending.